Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. These Ziploc quart size storage bags are super handy and you'll definitely want to keep them around. I love these bags because they are a really great size. They're perfect for food storage or any other type of storage. They are also the TSA compliant size for carrying on toiletries. So I always keep them on hand for travel for that purpose. The cool thing about this particular bag is that it actually stands up on its own, so it makes it super easy to fill. If you fold down the top of the bag and just sort of spread out the bottom, it will just stay there. So it's perfect for filling up, especially if you're filling it with something that is sort of liquidy. This makes it so much easier. And even if you're filling it with something kind of heavy, like I filled it with these sort of heavy candies, the zipper function works so well. It does not break apart. Even if you bounce it around, it is super, super strong. So these are definitely a high quality zip top bag. They do not break easily. They do not come unzipped. And they're a great size for a variety of different storage needs. So we really love these storage bags. They are very useful and a great thing to keep in your pantry. And that's my point of view.